Hi, this is Jacob Anderson, and this video is about evaluating your upper belt in a Shopsmith Mark V to see if it needs to be replaced. There's two types of upper belts. There's the Poly V belts, like this here, and there's the older Gilmer style belt. So you may have a machine of either age. They used this style of belt up until mid-1962. They're the Greenie machines and the first half of some of the Brownie machines. And then after mid-1962, they went to the Poly V style drive sleeve, which looks like this, and the belt has all these tiny ribs on the inside. So one of the key things is if these belts are over 25 years old, just replace them, because rubber gets brittle, gets stiff. The machine could have been sitting around for many years. My website has a chart of serial numbers for the machine, so you can tell the age of your machine, because everything after the 70s was painted gray, so that covers 40 years of machines. So the greenies are easy to spot unless they've been repainted. They're clearly over 25 years old. The brownies, same thing. You know they're over 25 years old. But any machine older than 1990, I would replace the upper belt, the Poly V belt in that case. So things to look for: if you look at the inside, you may see tiny little cracks across the ribs. Outside, of course, there may be cracks across that too. Once in a while you find an extreme example like this here. This one was torn and shredded and turned inside out. Inside there are wires, so there's lots of things that can happen to them. If they're aligned on the thing improperly, there could be shredding on the outer edge, or it can be worn narrower on the outer edge. They need to be a certain width to give you enough friction to turn the shafts. So they fit across the shaft like that, just sitting into the ribs. And the Gilmer has what I call a tank tread that fits into those grooves. But the Gilmers are more prone to being torn on the edge because of alignment issues. They actually ride on this shoulder and ride on a shoulder on the lower shaft. So I sell both of these belts, the Poly V and the Gilmer. When you buy those from me, you get access to a YouTube video showing you replacement, or you can buy my full-length replacement videos, because if you're replacing this upper belt, it requires a full teardown of the machine anyway, and you're most likely going to find the bearings are bad, at least on a few of the bearings. So you might want to go ahead and get my full repair set, but I'm going to have videos that show you how to tear it down, and the opposite is how to put the belt back on. So this is the address for my website, and from that website you'll find my web store. On the website you find my repair services and all of my policies, lots of frequently asked questions answered there, how to ship your headstock to me if you want to do it, just ship it to me. You can ship components to me also for repairs, and of course you can order the parts and publications that I offer. So go to my website there, and you'll find tons of great information. Thank you.